Hello, viewer ho. Amasa in cancer cell initiatavin. Tunin chemotherapy chungchang anase hiute. Viewer ho subscribe law na Ula lung se ta in subscribe in a ball pi uvin. Nang ma doctor hi jong la chun. Icho han nang ma jan de hi jong la hen na ki beding a hi. Tu la hin alhang pi in mi hem khat kum som nga ahung wal le cancer hi na the na chance tam pi au min a hi. Chule ilawa dammo nala a vai hom khat jong a hi tai chemotherapy hi ipi ham chemotherapy hi single medicine jong hi the medicine tampi ki gom jong hi the a hi chemotherapy tup chu a hi le cancer cell chu block bola kham ding a hi lo le hi chi cancer cell chu tha ding ti na hi cancer cell thana dia chu chemotherapy ki jang zui a hi chi cancer chun aggressive attack ichana ball hitam chi cancer stage chun ichana pha hitam chi cancer chu itabang type ham patient le cancer umdan ho chu doctor in decide a bola chi dung zui a ajanji chu a hi itabang cancer hi jong le chemotherapy chu kipite khat chu a hi abang surgery angain abang radiation angain a hi abang chu chemotherapy angain cancer azat dungzu in therapy jong akibang pon a hi abang chemotherapy akizangin abang combination chitampi ki goma therapy ki jangjong au min a hi common ta a kimang chemotherapy chu a hi le akhatna adjuvant chemotherapy ichi hi surgery ki boljawa cancer cell chu aviala ahung umdo kin na laudia ki bola hi ani na hi le new adjuvant chemotherapy hichi a hi le surgery masang a cancer cell chu athan na laudia kimi choma surgery successful na dia ki bol chemotherapy chu a hi chemotherapy alhang phi a ki jang concurrent chemotherapy hi radiation to chemo ki goma ki bola hi radiation akiti la ki hal ti tada na hin hichi therapy hi cancer cell achal gang ho a ki bola hi khat chu hela palliative chemotherapy a hi la patient symptom a kon relief aneya quality life chule a hin kho extend asaw na dinga once cancer hon anei na dio a hi kimang a hi common type of chemotherapy drugs alhang pia chemotherapy law ki haja ho akhatna alkylating agent ichi hin DNA a cancer cell chu damage abolin cell production a kon in avengin a hi ichi hi cancer epiphase hi han epitype cancer hi jong le cell life cycle block na ding in akimangin a hi ahin la bone marrow gualhin ho destroy associate in leukemia developing abole ichla akimang alkylating agent ho chuela cyclophamide carboplatin cisplatin anina anti metabolite ichi hi cancer cell ho ki hop thana loading in cell damage thana ding in akimangin a hi cancer treatment na dia kiza na ho leukemia breast cancer ovarian cancer intestine tract cancer anti metabolite kizang ho chu a hi le methotrexate markeptopurin fluorouracil anti tumor antibiotic hichi hin DNA sunga ki helna a cancer cell khanna le reproducing bol theina avengin a hi hichia doses hi limited a hi aji chu high dose hin lungchang heart damage a bol the in a hi icha kimang alhang pi common pen chele bleomycin dactinomycin doxorubicin a hi na hi alina topoisomerase inhibitor hichi hi enzyme function na cell a protein cancer cell reproduction bol na ginchat ho block na ding in akimangin a hi in enzyme hin cell sunga cell ho reproduct na ding ki thopi na a hi อิจิฮอจูอิริโตเตกันโตโปเตกันเอกโตโปสอะเฮนะเฮอังานะmitotic inhibitor natural plant akon kisiam substance hi sil ahung khana ki hom thang ding ho chu destroy a bolin hi protein provide a bolun cell enzyme chu asutangun hi a hin la hi chi hin cancer cell kyu hi lo health cell jong life cycle face damage a bolun hi cha ho ki jang ho chu hela vincristin vinblastin pecutaxel akitiana hi cancer treatment hi face stage type of cancer place of cancer hi chi tak tor hon decide yal ha na dung juya treatment ki bola hi